How to remove GoDaddy website builder. Hey guys, in today's video, I will show you how to remove GoDaddy website builder. Let's get started. First, log into your GoDaddy account. At the top of your screen, you will see your profile icon or your profile name. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Renewals and Billing. You will be redirected to a page where you will see a list of your products, including your website. Find the website you want to remove, then click on the three dots Options menu next to your website. Select Turn off Auto Renew. Now, GoDaddy will show you a few options. Here, select Delete My Product. Confirm your choice by checking the box and clicking Complete Request. GoDaddy will send a confirmation email to your registered email address. Go to your email inbox and click the confirmation link in the email to finalize the deletion. And that's it. Your website will be removed from GoDaddy Website Builder. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.